Hello students, this is me Hina Shahid. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is division. In this topic you will learn the division of 3-digit numbers and division by 2 digits. स्टेप फॉर द डिवीजन. सबसे पहला स्टेप तो आपने डिविडेंड को कंसीडर. फॉलोइंग आर द रूल्स बिफोर स्टार्टिंग. Now the examples of the 3-digit numbers with remainders and without remainders. Now the division without remainder. On your screen there are two examples. One example is related to the having the smaller divisor and second example is having a greater divisor. Now move towards the first example. 988 is divided by 2. In this example 2 is divisor, 988 is dividend. First we will consider the single digit, that is 9, because 9 is greater and 2 is smaller. Only single digit will be considered. Now start reading the table of 2. 2 4s are 8. Now subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 is smaller and 2 is greater. On the next step it becomes, write down the second digit, that is 8. Now it becomes 18, not 1. So the table of 2 again, read it. 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. Now the only one digit is remaining to divide, that is 8. Now 2 multiplied by 4, answer is 8. Now subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. So 494 is a quotient and there is no remainder. Now move towards the second example, that having a greater divisor. 648 is divided by 9. So 6 is smaller and 9 is greater. You cannot divide it. So consider 64 first. Now read the table of 9, which comes exactly the 64 or less than 64. So 9 multiplied by 7, answer is 63. So 64 minus 63 is 1. 1 is again smaller, so you cannot divide it. So write down the last digit of the dividend, that is 8. Now it becomes 18. 9 multiplied by 2, answer is 18 and there is again no remainder. Now the next is division with remainder. In this on your screen the same method is followed, having a smaller divisor and a greater divisor. Now the first example is 569 is divided by 4. 5 is greater, 4 is smaller. So you will consider only one digit, that is 5. Start division. Read the table of 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is, answer is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 is again smaller, you cannot divide it. So you will write the next digit of the dividend, that is 6. It becomes 16. Now start reading the table of 4, which comes exactly the 16 or less than the 16. So we know very well that 4 multiplied by 4 is, answer is 16. So we subtracted again. 16 minus 16 is 0. Only one digit is left to divide, that is 9. Read the table of 4, which come exactly the 9 or the less than 9. So 4 multiplied by 2, answer is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. In this example you will get the remainder, that is 1, and 142 is the quotient. Now the move towards the next example, having a greater divisor. So next example is 128 is divided by 5. 1 is smaller and 5 is greater, so you cannot divide it. Now consider 112, यानी सिंगल डिजिट नहीं लेंगे आप, डबल डिजिट को कंसिडर करेंगे, that is 12. Read the table of 5, which comes exactly the 12 or less than the 12. So we know very well 5 multiplied by 2 answer is 10 and 5 3 is a 15. 15 becomes greater than 12. So we cannot take this number. We will take 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. So only one digit is left, that is 8. Because 2 is cannot be divided by 5, so you will write 8 again. It becomes 28. Now read the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. Because 25 is smaller than 28. Now subtract 8 minus 5 is 3. In this second example, you will get the remainder 3. Here are the few questions for practice without remainder. 4 questions is given to you. You have to practice them, and solution is also given for your guidance. Now there are a few questions for your practice with remainder. Here are 4 questions given to you. Practice it, and solution is also given for your checking your answers. Now the division by 2 digits. On your screen there are 2 examples. Example number 1 is 5568 is divided by 16. 16 is 2 digit now. On your screen the table of 16 is written. First digit is of the dividend is 5. You cannot divide the 5 by the 16. So you will take 2 digit, that is 55. In the table of 16, 3 multiplied by 16 is 48. It means you will read the table of 16 3 times, which comes exactly for 48, which is smaller than 55. So you will divide it. 16 multiplied by 3, answer is 48. Now you will subtract it. 55 minus 48, answer is 7. You cannot again divide this 7 by 16. So you will write down the next digit, that is 6. Now it becomes 76. Now check in the table of 16 which number, how many times the number which is smaller than 76. Here in the table 4 times. 4 multiplied by 16, answer is 64. So we will take 16 multiplied by 4, answer is 64. Now subtract it. 76 minus 64, answer is 12. 12 is again smaller and 16 is greater. You cannot divide it. So write down the last digit of the dividend, that is 8. Now it becomes 128. In the table of 16, 8 times. 16 multiplied by 8, answer is 128, exactly the same number. So we will take 16 multiplied by 8, answer is 128. Now subtract it. 128 minus 128, answer is 0. It means there is no remainder. So your dividend is 348. Now move towards the example number 2, that is 4707 is divided by 32. Write down the table of 32 and then start the division. 32 multiplied by 1 is 32. Because 32 is smaller and 47 is greater. So you will start the division. Read the table of 32. 32 is multiplied by 1, answer is 32. Now subtraction. 47 minus 32 is 15. 15 is smaller, 32 is greater. So you cannot divide it. In the table of 32, write down the next third digit, that is 0. It becomes 150. Now in the table of 32, 4 times 32 multiplied by 4, answer is 126. So it will divide it. 32 multiplied by 4, answer is 128. Now subtraction. 150 minus 128, answer is 22. Again 22 is smaller, 32 is greater. You cannot divide it. Then write down the last digit of the dividend, that is 7. Now it becomes 227. In the table of 32, 32 is multiplied by 7. Answer is 224. So 32 multiplied by 7. Answer is 224. Now the subtraction, 227 minus 224. Answer is 3. So the remainder is 3 and the question is 147. Now for the practice, there are few questions which is division by the 2 digits. 3 questions are given to you and their solutions is for your guidance. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you will understand the topic. Meet you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.